Hello everybody, today we're going to unpack and take a close-up look at the Yumbox Tapas. So the Yumbox Tapas is available in several colors. This one is in the flat iron grey color. And taking a look on the underside or backside of the outer bubble wrap packaging. And then let's go ahead and remove that bubble wrap packaging to reveal the Yumbox Tapas in the flat iron grey color, and you can see that it is wrapped in a clear plastic wrapper. So the Yumbox Tapas is the largest of Yumbox's range of lunch boxes or food containers or food boxes or food carriers. And they are designed to be leak-proof and made from food-safe and bisphenol A free material, and they're also very, very durable, made out of ABS and Tritan. So this is the Yumbox Tapas in flat iron grey. Let's go ahead and remove the plastic wrapper by very carefully cutting apart the sticky tape and sliding that clear wrapper off to give you a nice clear view of the Yumbox Tapas. So the Tapas is the largest of the lunch boxes from Yumbox. There is also the original size and a mini snack size, which is the smallest. So this measures approximately 2 inches thick, 7 inches wide, and 10 inches long, depending on how you see it. So right there, giving you a nice clear view of the Yumbox Tapas in flat iron grey. And taking a look at the underside, the paper literature is statically stuck to the underside for the moment, so we'll just leave it as it is so you have a nice clear look at the product details right there. So there is a clear plastic insert made out of Tritan, which is super durable, to compartmentalize your foods. So right there, it is compact and lightweight. So this weighs about 600 grams. So pretty light and durable. Let's slide off that paper literature. On the underside or reverse side of the paper literature is more product details right there, and some social media links as well. Okay, so we're going to set that to the side right there, top right hand side perhaps. Okay, and once again giving you a nice clear view at the Yumbox Tapas in flat iron grey. So made from ABS, very, very durable plastic. And taking a look at the underside, nice clear view. It does have some protrusions on the base so that it stands clear of whatever surface that you're resting it on. So it doesn't carry too much or attract too much dirt on the underside, which is a nice thing to see. And of course it minimizes wear at the bottom or on the bottom of this food container or lunchbox. And taking a look at the hinge right there at the back of the lunchbox. So right there, nice clear view of the Yumbox Tapas. And now, of course, let's flip it open by popping that latch up and lifting the lid right there. So giving you a nice clear view right there on the insides of this Yumbox Tapas. And you can see the clear tray insert right there, made from Tritan, which is ultra durable. And the underside right there of the silicone insert, or molded silicone underside of the lid that prevents any spillage or leaks. So the Yumbox is designed to carry sauces and non-watery type of foods as well. So that silicone underside that's molded below the lid will give the tray insert a perfect seal to prevent your sauces and dips from leaking out from the lunchbox. So right there, this is the 4-compartment version, so bento box style. That's what Yumbox is known for. This is the 4-compartment version. There's also a 5-compartment version that separates this bigger space into 2 sections with a narrow one at the top. So this one is more suited for perhaps sandwiches right there on the left side. So giving you some sense of size there, resting my palm over the inner surface of the lunchbox right there. So once again, it measures approximately 10 inches across and 7 inches deep and 2 inches thick. So now giving you that sense of depth and size right there, with the Yumbox Tapas being the largest of Yumbox's range of food boxes or food carriers or lunch boxes. So there is an original size being a middle size and a mini snack size being the smallest. So this one is the largest of their lunchbox range. Right there, giving you, once again, that sense of size and scale. So made from very, very sturdy ABS. And the hinge right there at the back. Just going to flip it open. The catch or latch to show you that hinge right there. And a close-up look at the underside of the lid with its silicone that's molded so that it prevents or provides a very good seal to the tray insert right here to prevent any leaks from your sauces or dips. So nothing too flowy, and it should be sealed perfectly fine in this leak-proof lunchbox. So the insert right here is removable, so you can actually buy different inserts to customize your Yumbox. So this is the 4-compartment version, as I mentioned, having a bigger main section here rather than a partially split or a split section right there with the 5-compartment version. So this is made from Tritan, which is super durable. And of course, all the materials of the Yumbox is made from food safe components. So there we go, nice good look at the 4-compartment insert right there. which you can customize or buy different inserts. So you can alternate between a 4 or 5 compartment tray insert for your Yumbox Tapas. So right there, giving you a look on this side as well. It's nice to see that there are some symbols there, and it is recyclable as well, and of course the Yumbox branding. And let me just hold it up with both hands so it is nice and steady, providing you a look at the symbols right there. If I can get the focus to come on, and avoiding any kind of glare and reflection from the ceiling pendant light. Okay, so right there, nice clear look, or mostly clear look at the symbols, and tray insert goes back in, and everything more or less stays firmly in place, even the silicone underside lid seal right there, which stays firmly in place. So I do not think this is removable at all, as in the molded silicone seal on the underside of the Yumbox lid. Just giving you a nice good look right there, where the grooves fit in place against the tray shape to give it a nice seal to prevent your foods from mixing or any contents from leaking out of this Yumbox. And right there, snapping shut. Nice and solid lunchbox right there, which is super durable and made from food safe materials, and most importantly as well, or quite importantly, leak proof. So this might be the perfect lunchbox or food container. So that's the Yumbox Tapas in flat iron grey. Thanks for watching and happy eating!